been pointed out that, well, being a member of a powerful political dynasty, medyo nagdududa ang publiko sa anong made-deliver ng bagong House Speaker.
Well, unang-una, lingid sa kaalaman ng marami, Speaker Bogie D never had the ambition of becoming Speaker. At minsan, ang taong walang maraming ambisyon, mas matututukan niya ang institusyon. Moreover, he has been bent and committed, although ayaw niya yung posisyon, he has been bent and committed to let those accountable be responsible for their actions if ever meron. And I am not saying that Speaker Martin Romualdez is guilty of any crime, but his stepping down is to show the people that he takes responsibility for what happened in the 19th Congress, kung meron. But at the same time, para mawala na yung mga haka-haka na kung siya'y napangalanan, kung siya'y masasama dun sa ibang mga kapartido or whatever, talagang mahaharap niya, sasagutin niya, at walang masasabing mali siya dun sa investigasyon.